Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours. And today, family, I'm very excited. The reason why I'm excited, family, because I'm going to actually meet a Jamaican. First time meeting a Jamaican in Kenya, in Africa. So, I'm very excited, family. So, I'm just waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come. Actually, even she calling me right now, family. She calling me right now. Hello? I don't know why this connection is bad. The data is on. Call her back. Let me call her straight, family. Let me call her straight. Let me call her straight. Let me call her straight. If ever. Let me call her straight. I don't know why this Kenya line. Zero 7. Hey, is it Ava or Eva? Which one?
Eva.
Eva, okay, Eva. You reach already?
Are you here?
Yeah, I'm actually just close by. I'm just at Four Ways Junction Estate there.
Huh?
No, I'm not there. I'm just driving, coming on my way at the moment. Yes, you're hearing me? Yeah, you're there? Alright, just wait. I'm coming in a short while. I'm just driving, coming now. Alright, no problem. Alright. Yeah, family. So that's Eva. And as you know, guys, she don't want to be on the camera. You know what I mean? She don't want to be on the camera. But I'm very excited. I would love to maybe get her voice on the camera because this is a milestone, and I'm very excited, and I need to document this for my journey here in Africa, family. So we actually meeting up because she wanted me to get a 1-bedroom family for her to rent. And as you know, my past experience dealing with YouTubers, Pt.1 got to be an exact family. As you know, guys, Pt.1 got scam me family, and I can just imagine the pain. A foreigner feel, trying to come back to Africa, and you're trying to actually, get a place and try to get settled because, as you know, Airbnb is expensive. When you come with your plan and you want to stay in the country, you have to find a place to rent so you can buy your stuff and accumulate stuff, so you can actually live a little bit cheap, so you can have money to buy your land and do what you need to do and stuff like that. So, you cannot stay in Airbnb, for 3-4 months, 6 months. You're gonna be here for. So, I can just imagine how frustrating it is. Most of the time you land into the country, and the people who you hang around and be around, sometimes they get you to some place, as you know, as a foreigner, you know that you're coming from the developing world, as they would say. So you expect everything to be a particular way. And sometimes you come and you land into a situation, into a area that you don't like and you want to move out. So, by you doing that, you might end up get scammed because you're in a rush, you want to come out to your Airbnb, you want to find a nice place, but you don't know. So, this is where Jam Tours Africa come in. I'll help you for free. We don't charge to help people. And just to show you that love and, love what we have in our heart for, help people coming back is serious, because that's what always our plan, So, anybody coming in and need help to find a place, you can link up with Jam Tours. I am very happy to help my fellow Jamaican sister get a place. So we're gonna actually go there. I'm gonna show you what it's like and everything, and tell you the price and everything and stuff. It's going for like 27,000. That's roughly like maybe 150 US there about a month for a 1-bedroom. I used to live at this apartment before, the 2-bedroom. So I'm gonna take my fellow sister to the 1-bedroom, and hopefully she will like it. You know, as a foreigner, you come to Kenya and you have your taste. Everybody have them likes and what they don't like and stuff. So, you know, island like you want to move out, you know, where you stay, most likely is just your first impression, and sometimes you want a different experience, a different area and stuff. So you want to move out and get your own space. You don't want to live into an Airbnb because that's not comfortable. You need somewhere that you create for yourself, what you like and what you don't like. You put into your house and you have your space and stuff. So, family, so it's just a pleasure, as you know, that experience teaches wisdom. And as I said, family, when you see this YouTuber, especially Dieases, she's a scammer, and you guys to stay far, be aware. You know what I mean? When she come up, and all our videos show my multi-million-dollar house, I just buy this apartment, I just do this thing, all of these things, family. Back in 2021, I never even know that these people, like, you know, when they do these things for view, the character is the same thing. You know what I mean? Your multi-million-dollar house, you never even pay a rent yet, but it's a multi-million-dollar house. You know what I mean? All of these things, all of this, you're still doing this video up to today. She in Jamaica saying, oh, this is my multi-million-dollar house. Even when you rent a house, don't see you own a house. And, you know, 1 week, 2 weeks after you're not in the house no more, you're into another place. That shows you that these people are dishonest and liars and thieves. And that's the thing, most people, when them see these people online praising them and doing all of that stuff, you know what I mean, they end up get scammed because when you think like these people has good character and they has no good character, family. You know what I mean? And that's the thing. You have to be wise. When you see people come online and tell lie to get views and YouTube to get a little paycheck or whatever it is, that's really their character. They're just waiting, you know, they're just waiting to find someone who to rob and scam. And you might watch them on the internet and feel like, oh, these people, they are good people because, oh, they're doing this and, you know, for pity party and stuff. You know, they just want to know your pocket and know, so you can afford this, so you can afford that. You them rob you. You know what I'm saying? Thing like we should do to Aaron Dante. See, Aaron Dante is nowhere to be found now. Why? Because him actually pouring out all his money and all his funds on her, and you know what I mean, and look what she's saying to him. She's saying, oh, Aaron Dante is her mentor and all kind of stuff. And look what she's saying about the man. All of these bad things. Imagine somebody give you all that money and give you all that GoPro camera and give you, you know, man, send money for you to buy land in the village and all of these things. And you hear the bad things when you're talking about the person that who's helping you and giving you things and stuff. Just imagine, family. You know, all of this small little money was nothing for me to give her and stuff. Because she was like the connection. I say, oh, in Kenya, let me just whatever. Because, you know what I mean, it's like the small money buying food and all of these small things. That's all she can say I would give to her and stuff. And, you know, she helped me to get the apartment. And in return, she ended up take it over and scam me out of it anyways. So, you know what I mean, just to show your family, you should not trust these people when you see them online. So I was waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come, and we're gonna go and meet my Jamaican sister, show her the place. Hopefully she like it, and you know what I mean. And cause she need a place urgent anyways. So you know what I mean. You know, hope she like it and she can move out and get settled in Kenya, and you know she can live happily ever after, family. So let's go. Hey family, so Miss Jam Tours is now here, and I was just saying to her that, you know what I mean, I can just imagine how frustrating it is as a foreigner in a country, you don't know nobody and the place looks strange, and you know what I mean, trying to find an apartment, trying to get settled. I can just imagine how frustrating it is, and most people maybe have the feeling that I wish I did just stay in my country and everything. Because it's hard for you to start a new life. That's what I'm saying, family. So I was just saying that. So, but it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure to actually, you know what I mean, help people who's coming back, help them to get settled, family. And those are the things, those are the work that, you know, I really want to do. And, you know, based on my past experience, so I was scammed out of my apartment by Dieases. You know, I can just imagine the pain people feel.
I can only imagine that you'll never forget Dieases.
And, you know, I just imagine, like, you know, other people seeing, because, you know, when you check them videos, they have more positive than negative, and people see them as like angels. And these same people who they see as angels will get scammed. You know, and these people are older people who maybe have money to invest, and they are like a prey, they are like a target.
Maybe that's their last dime of investment.
When you look at Aaron Dante is an older man, you know what I mean, him having look a change and him money.
You're sold to buy a Land Cruiser.
When yeah, the brother told him to actually help him to buy those moving travel, those tourist cars, you know what I mean. So that's a show that these type of people, every little opportunity them get, you see them try to sneak it in.
And
Like, you know, help do this, let's partner up in this. And even you put 100%, they end up taking it over. Because it's the same situation with the Mwango. Imagine you put 100% in your thing and they end up taking it over just because them is a local and you're not.
Because they're
And you know, and one little clause is there where your name is on the original list because I wasn't in the country. Use that and take over my apartment. So I can feel the pain people coming back now, you know, trusting these actually socialites, because these people are the first people I've contact you're gonna have coming into Kenya or coming into Africa. People who are on the internet, social media people who used to show in you around Africa. They feel like them is good people, but then they're to rob your family and scam you. So it's always my pleasure right now, family.
Sorry to cut you short. I doubt we'll find that office open at this hour.
Guy.
It's almost 5. Most of
Well,
it is closed at 4.
We'll check and see. We'll call Patrick.
We had better call him when we are here at Nanio, because actually we had better call him when we are on our way, because I don't think most offices close at 4. Past 4 you don't find anybody. It's almost 5. And there's no caretaker.
Well, we'll see.
Well, you don't have to speed us.
Yeah, family. So it's a pleasure, family, to actually meet a Jamaican who's looking to settle down in Kenya, and I'm excited. So let's wait and let's pause for now. She don't want to be on the camera, but I'll maybe get her voice, hear her thoughts about a lot of stuff and what her experience like coming in Kenya. It's her first time in this Kembu era, and you know, it's just the best era for foreigners. Everything is normal.
And locals who want peace and, you know, smelling nice.
So, you know, it's just nice. So I hope you enjoy. Alright, so let's go.
Why don't we take her to live in Yabanzi?
We'll call her Body Village. Alright, so we come back. Kitchen. Yeah, family. So this is actually the space that I'm showing my Jamaican sister right now. As you can see, this is the space. So this is a 1-bedroom. This is the room. This is the room here. As you can see, 1-bedroom space. How it look?
Looks nice.
Yeah, this is the bedroom. What size bed them so you can go inside there?
It's just a
5 by 6. Yeah. So that's the room, family. This is like a small living room. And this is like a kitchen. This is what your kitchen look like. This is a sink. This is like where you put your cooker. This is to suck up the heat. It's like a washroom, family. This is where you wash. From. Yeah, family. So this is nice. This is nice for an Airbnb. I like it, and you know, I feel I will get one of this for an Airbnb. Set up an Airbnb here. Yeah, so we're showing my Jamaican sister around. And the bathroom, that's the bathroom, sweetie, right?
Yes, I love it.
You love it.
What I love about the place,
Yeah.
you know, the white, the brightness.
Oh, yeah, the white, yeah.
The white is what catches me a lot, the tiles.
Yeah, but I guess the shower and everything is just one place. Mm-hmm. But it's nice.
Hey, it's not bad.
Yeah.
It's nice.
And how much you have available? How much of this available? How much available you have available?
The unit.
The 1-bedroom. Not a lot, okay. Alright. small washing machine and stuff. Okay.
How much is this one for?
28.
28 dollars.
Or, the price I got is $27,500.
Yeah.
The price $27,500. That's the price I got from Patrick.
It depends with the landlords, but the difference is only 500 because the other unit they are rated for 27,500.
Okay, okay.
So the difference is just 500.
Okay.
Actually, this unit was going for that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but she reduced up to 28K.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
you know there's a different landlord, so it depends.
Oh yeah, depends. Yeah, nice couch and the TV. Yeah. Yeah. So what you say, Eva? How it look to you?
It is small.
It's small. But I bet Sita is smaller. I bet Sita is smaller. But it's like similar to a bed Sita, but it's just, the room is different and stuff.
It's just that here they built open kitchens.
Yeah.
So if you look like that, it looks like a bed sitter. So go there. Yeah, because of the
Yeah, the stove, yes, you pull out your hair with that.
the fridge.
Yeah.
Maji ikitengenezwa ama bado ni salty?
Maji iko kuna kanju.
Unaweka njoo.
Oh, it's fresh?
For city council.
Okay.
Hot water.
Yeah, hot water, right? Yeah, hot water, yeah. It's hot water. All right, family. So that is it for now. Yeah.